12th Science, Chapter 10, Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, Part 1, Introduction and Classification. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. In this video, we will study about haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes. The general formula of halo is made up of two words. Halo means halogens, which are salt producers, and alkanes, when one hydrogen from alkane is removed and substituted by halogen atoms, then we form a compound called haloalkanes. So the general formula is CnH2n plus 1x. Basically, alkanes have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. So one hydrogen is removed and substituted by halogen. So this group is known as alkyl group. So we can also write down the general formula as Rx, where R represents the alkyl group. X stands for fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. The common name of haloalkane is alkyl halides. Similarly, haloarenes. Arene is the aromatic cyclic closed ring substances. The general formula is ARX, where X is again fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. The common name of haloarenes is aryl halides. Now let us classify the haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are basically classified into three categories. Classification. Firstly, it is classified on the basis of number of halogen atoms attached. Secondly, it includes compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon bonded with halogen, and lastly compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon bonded with halogen. Now let us discuss one by one all these various forms of classification. Firstly, on the basis of number of halogen atoms attached, we are having four types of halogens. Mono haloalkanes, di haloalkanes, tri haloalkanes and polyhaloalkanes. Mono means there is presence of single halogen atom. For example, CH3X, where only one halogen is present. Dihaloalkane means there is presence of two halogen. This dihaloalkane is further classified into gem dihalide and vicinal dihalide. Gem dihalide means both the halogens are present on the same carbon atom. For example, here you can see on this carbon atom both the halogens are present. So this type of compound is called as gem dihalide. Vicinal dihalide means they are present on the nearby carbon atoms. For example, now you can see here both the halogen atoms are present on the nearby carbon atoms. So this type of compound is called as vicinal dihalide. Third one is trihaloalkane, shows the presence of 3 halogens. For example, and when more than 3 halogen atoms are present, it is known as polyhaloalkanes. So this was on the basis of number of halogen atoms attached. Now let us discuss the next type of classification, which is on the basis of carbon halogen bond, where carbon is sp3 hybridized. Now this is further divided into 3 categories: alkyl halides, allylic halides, and benzylic halides. Alkyl halides, as we know, the general formula is RX or CnH2n plus 2. This alkyl halide is further of 3 types: primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, and tertiary alkyl halides. So in primary alkyl halide, the halogen is bonded to the carbon atom, which is 1 degree. In this case, the halogen is bonded to the carbon atom, which is 2 degree, and here the halogen is bonded to the carbon atom, which is tertiary, 3 degree. Allylic halide. This word allylic is important. The halogen which is present on the carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is called as allylic halide. Halogen is attached to carbon bonded next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is called as allylic halide. For example, CH2 double bond CH. This is carbon-carbon double bond. A carbon is attached to it and halogen is attached to this. So you can see the halogen is bonded to the carbon atom, which is bonded next to carbon-carbon double bond. Right? We can take another example also. This is cyclohexene and the halogen is bonded here. You can see carbon-carbon double bond is here, and the carbon is attached to this carbon-carbon double bond, which is bonded with halogen. This is allylic halide. Benzylic halide. The halogen is bonded to the carbon atom next to the aromatic benzene ring. Aromatic benzene ring is this. So first of all, I'll put the definition. Halogen is bonded to carbon atom, bonded to aromatic ring. So this is our benzene ring. Benzene ring, as you know, is having 3 alternate double bond. A carbon atom is attached. This group is known as benzyl group. benzene ring and CH2, this is known as benzyl group and the halogen is attached to it. So this is benzylic halide. So alkyl halide, allylic halide and benzylic halide, they are the compounds which contain sp3 hybridized carbon bonded with halogen. Let us move on to the third classification, which is the compound containing sp2 hybridized carbon bonded with halogen. This is further divided into two types, vinylic halide and aryl halide. Vinylic halide, the halogen is bonded directly to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon, sp2 hybridized carbon atom, CsP2. So let us take an example. CH2 double bond CH. This is carbon-carbon double bond and this is sp2 hybridized carbon and halogen is bonded directly. So this group is known as basically vinyl group. We can take one more example. You take cyclohexene. This is carbon-carbon double bond and halogen is bonded directly to the carbon-carbon double bond. The next one is aryl halide. The halogen is bonded directly to the aromatic ring. Halogen is bonded to aromatic ring. Let us take an example. This is a benzene ring and the halogen is bonded directly to the benzene ring. So basically the compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon bonded with halogen is of two types. Vinylic halide, where the halogen is bonded directly to the sp2 hybridized carbon, and aryl halide, where the halogen is directly bonded to the aromatic ring.